One small typing mistake can cause big losses, or when someone tries to place an order outside the market to gain an edge. Without safeguards, such trades can trigger losses and disrupt market fairness. That is exactly why Navya has Limit Price Protection or the LPP. It is like your pre-trade safety check, catching those mistakes and blocking unfair trades before they even hit the market. Now let us see how does LPP work. The exchange sets a reference price at the market open. It is based on the underlying values and the option pricing models. During the day, it is recalculated every 30 seconds using the average traded price. Now, a safe range is applied. Index futures up to Rs 10,000, the LPP range is plus or minus Rs 200. Above Rs 10,000, the LPP is plus or minus 2%. For stock futures up to Rs 50, the LPP range is plus or minus Rs 1.50. Above Rs 50, the LPP is plus or minus 3%. For options up to Rs 50, the LPP range is plus or minus Rs 20. Above Rs 50, the LPP goes to plus or minus 40%. Now let's look at an order validation example. Example 1. Stock futures contract at Rs 100. The reference price is Rs 100. So the LPP band is plus or minus 3%, that is 97 rupees to 103 rupees. If you buy at Rs 110, your order will be rejected. If you sell it at Rs 95, it will be rejected. But if it is between 102 or 98 rupees, your order is accepted. Example 2. Option contracts at Rs 40. If the reference price is at Rs 40, the band is between Rs 20 to Rs 60. If you buy at 70 or 10, it will be rejected. If you place it at Rs 45 or 55, it will be accepted. Example number 3. Nifty Index Futures at Rs 25,000. The reference price is Rs 25,000 and the band is between Rs 24,500 to 25,500. If you buy at 26,000, it will be rejected. Or if you sell at 24,400, that too gets rejected. But if you buy at 25,200 or sell at 24,900, it's perfect. Now let's see why it is so special. Exchanges like NSE and BSE already use LPP, but Navya takes it further. We have extended the same safety net to MCX trades as well. No matter where you trade, you are covered. Let's look at some key benefits. It works both ways. Stops unrealistic buy and sell orders. It prevents costly input mistakes. Blocks manipulative price settings. Works automatically and no setup required. So, stop worrying about typos or unfair trades. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.